We're pulling out a tooth today with a drone. We've tied dental floss to the bottom. Okay, we got this. Let's show the tooth.
Should I record it now?
Not yet. Look up. Let me see. Let's just see how we. Oh my gosh! Okay, it's ready. It's ready. Okay, I'm gonna tie the rope around it, and then we're gonna do this.
Are you excited? Oh my gosh!
Don't wiggle it anymore. We can't have it fall before we do this.
Let's see.
I want to make sure.
Oh.
Okay, stay still.
Follow.
Stay still. Everyone, back up. Okay, are you recording slow-mo now? Are we ready?
Thumbs up.
3,